All right, we have made it to the Venetian Tower. This is my favorite part. Love the big bathroom, the nice standing shower. You have your tub. And my favorite part, his and her sinks. More hotels need these. Of course, the toilet, you guys don't need to see this. Nice powder area with the mirror. Everything us ladies can possibly want. We actually have good lighting for once, another thing hotels usually lack. And then you have your closet, the nice king size bed, and then down into your little sitting area. And this room is just their basic suite. This is what I love about the Venetian, is every room is a suite, so you always have space. And then you have your nice blackout curtains. Those are on, those are electric as well. And keep in mind here, everything on this bar, everything in the fridge below and up above, everything is a weighted sensor. So if you move any item, you're getting charged. But you also then have the 2 TVs, and that takes care of our nice little room tour of the Venetian here in Las Vegas. And I hope you guys are all doing well. See you soon.